My name is Divakaran and today I would like to introduce you to KAINAYA INC, a company dedicated to preserving our culture heritage through fashion. KAINAYA INC was established on the 10th of October 2024 and we are proudly located at Bukit Kachi, Sintokada. We operate in the retail clothing industry with a focus on producing traditional Malaysian wear. Among our main products are baju kurung, baju kebaya, baju Melayu, samping, songket and batik. Our mission is simple: to honor and protect our cultural identity while adapting to modern consumer needs. In today's globalized world, traditional clothing is increasingly overshadowed by fast fashion. However, we believe that traditional attire holds deep meaning, carrying the stories, values and identities of our communities. At KAINAYA, we merge heritage with modernity. We produce designs that respect traditional styles but add a contemporary touch, making them more appealing and wearable for the younger generation. We also ensure that our products are affordable and to ease burden for some, we even offer carried purchasing options. This allows more people to own and appreciate traditional clothing no matter their financial background. In short, KAINAYA INC is not just a clothing company, we are a movement to revive and sustain Malaysia cultural legacy through fashion.
Okay, now I'm gonna tell you why do we run this business, this KAINAYA INC. So because of globalization, we need to protect our traditional heritage. So it means that traditional textile and clothing which symbolize community stories is in danger from fast fashion trends. So we hope that we can achieve worldwide recognition in culturally through its combination of traditional and modern. So we can generate heritage recognition and support cross-cultural understanding.
Hi everyone, my name is Zulfikwan Naim. Today I will present about our missions, visions and also objective for our company. So at KAINAYA Incorporations, we aim to deliver high quality product and also services that not only meet but exceed the customer expectations. We are dedicated to continuous innovation and also improvement while maintaining the strict quality standard in every area of our operations. We especially aim to gain the younger people attentions by creating the trend-aware offerings for them. So most importantly, we listen to our customer and using their feedback to enhance their experience and also drive our growth. Next, we will talk about vision. So our vision is to introduce the beauty of traditional clothing, especially the Southeast Asians, to the global market. By blending traditional elements with modern design, we hope to create a unique fashion identity that promotes cultural aspirations worldwide. Through strategy innovation and also promotions, we aim to make KAINAYA Incorporation a proud symbol of tradition and creativity on the international fashion stage. Then we will talk about objectives. So KAINAYA Incorporation has a few main objectives. We aim to offer a high quality yet affordable clothing to satisfy a wide range of customers. Then we also want to launch collections that follow current fashion trends while staying true the traditional roots. And also we want to expand our reach both locally and globally by building a strong network and continuously improving through customer feedback.
Next, let me introduce the team behind KAINAYA company. Firstly, we have our CEO, Mr. Muhammad Aiman. He is also the owner of the company. He will lead and manage everything in the company. His job to make important decisions for our company, set our goal, manage investment for our company and create business partnership to help our company more grow. We also have Mr. Ramadan, our head of finance. He will plan how our company can make more profit and keep our finance more strong for a long-term growth. We also have our production manager, Mr. Zulfikwan. He will make sure our production runs smoothly and he will check the product quality, ensure everything is on time and work with the employee and the supplier. We also have Mr. Devakaran as our marketing manager. He will handle all marketing plan to attract new customer and keep our current customer happy. Lastly, we have Mr. Ohaikat also play a key role as a supervisor to make sure everything in our company goes well. As today, KAINAYA company have 56 employees working together to bring the best for the customer.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Rohaika Birhaizat, matrix number 305003. I will talk about one of the management function of the company, which is planning. Planning is defined as setting goals and determining actionable steps to achieve them. In other words, planning is deciding what to do, how to do, when to do, and who will do it before taking an action. In fact, planning plays a crucial role as the first step taken by manager to establish a framework for handling challenge to attain organizational goals. Therefore, KAINAYA Incorporation has set a control plan that can help manager in achieving the vision and mission of the company. There are three types of planning in KAINAYA Incorporation, which is strategic planning, operational planning, and tactical planning. Firstly, strategic planning. Strategic planning is primarily managed by the top management team, which include the Chief Executive Officer (CEO), General Manager, and Division Heads. This team carefully formulate strategic plan that involve long-term decisions regarding the overall direction of the company. Manager must pay close attention to the external environment, align strategy with the company vision and mission, and address potential risks when developing these plans. By considering all relevant factors and potential risks, the company ensured that its long-term goal of maintaining a competitive edge is met. For instance, our long-term objective is to remain the leading traditional clothing provider at UUM, which is reflect in our strategic goals to be the primarily traditional clothing provider, to expand our market reach, and lastly, to provide the best product to our customer. Next, we move to the tactical planning. Tactical planning is the process of creating short-term action to achieve long-term goals. Middle managers such as production manager, finance manager, and marketing manager play an important role in carrying out tactical planning by aligning departmental tasks with the company's overall goals. This type of planning usually takes 1 to 3 years to complete. Each department in this company will have its own specific plan, skill, team member, and best practice. Firstly, the production manager. The production manager will work on upgrading the production machine to reduce product defect. This is important because our company values customer satisfaction. Secondly, the finance management. The finance department will prepare a large budget since we aim to become the top traditional clothing provider in Malaysia by 2030. To achieve this, we need a strong financial resources. The finance team also need to be efficient in attracting stakeholder and investor to support our company vision. Lastly, the marketing manager will apply pricing strategy through promotion and personalized offer as tactical step to reach our goal. For example, offering a 20% discount every Wednesday can help attract more customers to buy our product. Now we look at operational planning. Operational planning is the process of planning in detail how a team will carry out daily tasks to achieve short-term goals and support the overall strategy of the organization. The head of the department is responsible for assigning daily, weekly, and monthly tasks directly to the worker. Each employee should understand their responsibility clearly and be aware of the company vision. Some examples of operational planning in this company include doing regular machine inspection, checking customer feedback, and producing 500 pieces of clothing within 1 year. Now I will be presenting about KAINAYA Incorporation SWOT analysis. Firstly, strengths. KAINAYA Incorporation operates its business in Bukit Kachin UUM, which is a strategic location for us to introduce our product to university students. This location serves as a strength for our company because it allows customers to easily access our product. Another strength of our company is our affordable pricing. Our goal is to ensure that every member of the UUM community can proudly wear a traditional attire. Since our target customer are university students, we offer prices that are reasonable without compromising on the quality of our product. Next, weakness. Since we are newly established business, KAINAYA Incorporation is not yet well known to the public. As a result, some customers may feel less confident to try our product. This may lead them to choose external seller to avoid potential disappointment or financial loss. Next, opportunity. One of the biggest opportunity is the increasing interest in traditional clothing among university students, especially during cultural events, performance, and formal occasions. This creates a strong and consistent demand for our product within the campus. In addition, the location of our business in UUM gives us access of 2,000 of new students every semester, which means we constantly have new potential customers. We also see a great opportunity in using social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Shopee to promote and sell our product online. With the rise of digital marketing, we can reach more customers, not just in UAM but Malaysia. Lastly, trades. One of the main threats faced by KAINAYA Incorporation is the changing fashion trends. As we know, fashion evolves rapidly over time and so do customer preferences, which are often unpredictable and beyond the company's control. There is a possibility that customers may shift their interest towards modern fashion style and become less interested in traditional clothing. That's all.
I will be presenting about organizing and organizing culture with a focus on how our company KAINAYA INC applies these concepts in practice. Organizing is a fundamental process in management where a structure is developed to coordinate working relationships among employees. This structure ensures that every team member understands their roles and responsibilities, promoting efficiency and clarity in achieving the organization goals. Traditionally, organizing involved strict hierarchies and clearly defined job roles. However, modern organizations like ours are becoming more flexible. Today, many companies are adopting team-based structures, encouraging cross-functional collaboration and supporting decentralized decision-making, allowing for more agility and responsiveness. So let's move on to organizational culture. The shared values, beliefs and behaviors that shape how people work and interact in a company. There are several types of organizational cultures and at KAINAYA INC, we embrace three main ones. First one, market culture. We are goal-oriented, focusing on profitability and external success. Our employees are performance-driven and progress is measured carefully. Second one, clan culture. We value a sense of family. Teamwork, collaboration and mentorship are essential. Leaders support personal development and prioritize employee well-being. The third one is advocacy culture. We emphasize innovation, risk-taking and adaptability. Creativity and interpretation are encouraged, helping us grow and stay competitive. So, organizational culture can be divided into three layers: observable artifacts, exposed values, and basic assumptions. Observable artifacts, these are visible elements of culture. At KAINAYA INC, we have an open office layout to enhance communication. While we allow freedom in dressing, factory workers follow a specific dress code. We also celebrate achievements and support religious holidays. The second one, exposed values. These are our declared values. We focus on innovation, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. Solving problems together help us stay ahead of the competition and meet our customers' needs. The third one is basic assumptions. These are unconscious, deeply held beliefs. At our company, teamwork and ethics are the heart of our culture. We believe in creating a comfortable and respectful working environment where everyone works together toward a shared mission. In conclusion, organizing and organizational culture are both critical to a company's success. At KAINAYA INC, we strive to build a flexible and innovative structure while cultivating a strong, values-driven culture. This combination allows us to adapt, grow, and create a positive impact both for our employees and our customers.
And I will also talk about leading. So, leading in this context, leadership is supposed to influence others through both formal and informal means. Effective leader inspire motivations and commitment toward company goals. So, leader must understand business and also market trend for strategic directions. Leadership traits can be developed through experience and also formal training. It also emphasizes on adaptive leadership in all situations and also challenges. So leadership at KAINAYA Incorporations means inspiring our team to work toward shared goals. So we focus on democratic leadership where team members are actively involved in any decisions making. This approach encourages our company to move toward open communications, collaborations, and also innovations. Our leaders use a transformational styles, which is to motivating employees with clear vision and also supportive behavior. We believe in growing together through trust, participations, and also shared success.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you what controlling is. So, it used to detect deviation and apply corrective actions that guarantee goal accomplishment. So, we can say that controlling is the process includes both measurement and correction of organizational activities to reach performance standard and pre-established objectives. Alright, I'm gonna tell you what are included as the controlling process. The first is setting standard. For the example is you give someone else target to sell or customer satisfaction. Second, measuring performance. For this one is you evaluate your employee. And then third, comparing actual versus standards, analyzing deviation, and taking corrective actions.
In conclusion, KAINAYA is a traditional clothing company that aims a high quality product at affordable price to all the customers. The company mission and vision focus on product innovation, customer satisfaction, and global sales. By doing this, we'll also help preserve traditional cultural heritage. In terms of management, KAINAYA company follow the main function of POLC, that is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. We use a strategic, tactical, and operational planning to manage the company effectively. We also do a SWOT analysis to understand our strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. The company culture we practice include teamwork, creativity, innovation, positive attitude, and cooperation among the employees. With the strong transformation and leadership, our team stay motivated and productive, helping create a positive and successful work environment. Through this approach, KAINAYA aims not just to secure in business, but also to promote a good value in management and bring local traditional clothing to international stage. That's all from us. Thank you and hope you enjoy this presentation.